There's something soothing about this town that when you live here, I mean, you go to work, you send your kids to school, it still feels like a vacation. And yes, I'm talking about Dripping Springs, Texas, one of Austin's most desirable and sought after suburbs. If you're thinking about relocating to this town, you don't want to be missing out on this video because I'm going to show you a few different options both on the market and from brand new builders in one of its most favorite communities called Headwaters. You excited? Because I am. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Properties Group real estate channel. Here we drop weekly videos to show you the best of Austin and Austin's real estate. Our number one goal is to help you make the most educated decision about your next move. So if you're thinking about relocating within this beautiful town, be sure to subscribe to this channel because you don't want to be missing out on any of these great videos I bring for you every week. All right, so I'm done giving you my spiel. Let's get into the good stuff. I'm going to turn the camera around and going to start talking about this home. This particular home is a single-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,100 square feet, listed at $550,000. Thanks to my good realtor friend, Stefan Bentler. And by the way, shout out to him for letting me borrow this home for a couple hours on this beautiful day and his great work of putting this house together. Now, this home was built in 2020 by David Weekley Home, which is a local Texas builder and one of the main builders here at Headwaters. If you're unfamiliar with Headwaters and would like to learn more about this community, here's a card on somewhere over here that you can check out the video that we did for this beautiful master plan neighborhood. As you can see, the modern farmhouse style is a go-to architectural style for this neighborhood. And if that's something that you are interested in and you would like, then this community will be just perfect. Nice swing put in by the previous owners. And we got stone and siding as the main material of the home. As you enter into the hallway to the right, you have two very spacious bedrooms with a really nice full bath. Clean and modern. The rooms of this home are particularly very spacious compared to other homes in this size, which is a great advantage. To the left of the hallway, also there's access to garage, another half bath, and the dedicated laundry room. As we progress further into the heart of the home, this is where the main living area is, an open floor plan with a modern looking kitchen that is lightened up by all those beautiful windows to the back wall. To the right, we have a dedicated office with beautiful French doors, which makes this home a perfect work from home house if that is something you require. A huge hexagon looking island, white cabinets throughout, an oven of a microwave. Dining room. All right, now let's check out the master bedroom of this beautiful home. While we're doing that, let's break down some numbers. As previously mentioned, this home is listed at $550,000, which equals to $261 per square foot. If you were to buy this home today at 7% interest rate with 20% down, without taxes and insurance, you'll be looking at principal and interest payment of $2,927. The tax rate in this community is 2.41% of the appraised value, which for this specific home was closer to $13,500. HOA dues are $150 a month, and for insurance, let's call it $125. All in, for this home, you will be at $4,327 for monthly payment. It's time for perhaps one of the best features of this home. We have a huge extended covered patio that backs into this forever green belt. The hill behind of this home is a protected green belt, so you don't have to worry about anybody coming in, cutting these trees down and build a house right behind you. The current owners built this huge deck on the bottom, and it just makes it a very usable space. The next option that I want to show you guys is a model home by one of the builders in the community, Toll Brothers. And if you're unfamiliar with them, they're America's #1 luxury builder. They have different floor plans in this community from 1,900 square feet all the way up to 3,500 square feet. And this model home is one of their more popular floor plans, around 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. The pricing ranges from $600,000 up to closer to $1 million. So, you know, it's right about the average for this community. Let's go take a look at this beautiful model home. So immediately to the left, we have the office space. There's a bedroom in the front. last but not least, I want to show you guys one of the inventory homes that is available by the same builder in this community. Before I do that, I wanted to take a moment and invite you guys, if you are thinking about relocating to our fabulous city and would like to have a one-on-one conversation with me personally, here's my contact information. You can give me a call, you can text me, and also there is a link tree on the bottom of this video that you can skip the line, go ahead and schedule a one-on-one conversation, and I will be more than happy to hop on that call, give you all the information that you're looking for, and help you with your next move. So this home, which is also built by Toll Brother Homes, is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,900 square feet, and it's listed at $600,000. Yes, there is a price tag for a brand new build, but there are some advantages that comes with it. You will get warranties, you will get probably lower interest rates as of right now, because builders are offering that in this current market situation. And, you know, depending on your situation, this might be a better fit. Well, we'll leave that to the one-on-one conversation that we are going to have. Unfortunately, I cannot get inside of this home as it is locked and it's past hours, but the representation of the home could be found online, which I will put the link also on the bottom of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you guys find this helpful and positive in your home buying journey. If you have any questions or comments, please don't be shy to put them down in the description below, in the comment section below, I'm sorry. Again, if you are thinking about relocating to our city, my contact information is right here, and I would love to help you guys find your next home. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next one.